So na good times na atong buhaton katong mga ganahan atong buhaton, di ba? Katong gusto gid natong buhaton sa atong kinabuhi, di ba? At the end of the day, kita magyapon kadalas atong kinabuhi. And we don't listen to the naysayers and we also don't listen to the negative people, you know. Pero nasa sila gisulti ba na dili sa nimo kaya kung maginusara lang ka, di ba? You need people around you. I think kailangan gini siya nato puno. And nasa giingon na we need to listen to those people na we are serving with, di ba? Kailangan nato paminaw sa nato katong mga tao na atong gipang serbisyuhan, di ba? Pero di ba contradicting silang duha na kailangan nimo buhaton sa imong gusto na what if dili nimo gusto ang ilahang gusto, di ba? And buhaton maghapon nimo sila, paminawon gyapon nimo sila. So mo na itong istiyahan ka episode.
Hi, this is Owen and this is Imoha Podcast.
So sa dili ta magsugod itong paminawon kung kinsa itong sponsors. Unsa man gid itong buhaton, maminaw tas mga tao para kabalo taon sa itong buhaton or dili na to sila paminawon para lang gyud mabuhat na to kung unsa gyud atong gustong buhaton. So lately, nag-movie marathon mi sa akong igsuon ko yung akong anak. One of the movie scene dito na naisa ka high school student na ganahan siya mahimong NFL football players. But ang iyang mama dili ganahan. Ganahan ang iyang mama na mahimo siyang writer. So nailines dito na niya na iyang coaches. This is actually just a summary lang kung sa iyang gisulti sa coach, no? But basically ang gisulti sa coach ba na maubag na siya iyang gustong buhaton, di ba? Both sides actually nindot agad siya, no? Sa unsa man gani nindot magid siya, writer ka or mga NFL player ka, nindot agad siya. But ang pangutana is that maubag na siya imong ganahan buhaton. So ang coach ni sulti ba na do what you love to do and forget what other people will say, kumbaga. And as like bakialami kung unsa ilang gustong isulti nimo, but ang moha lang is buhatan unsay gusto nimo buhaton. But not literally na you need to disobey your mom, but I think you need to deal with your mom instead. No? So, muna siya gisulti sa coach. But from there, naka-reflect ko ba, nakunahon ako ba na, is it really easy for us na we can do what we love to do? But sometimes, di wala kakabalo kung bulambo bugin na siya dihan dapita kay tungod kay gusto lang di mo buhaton. Let's say for example si Manny Pacquiao, no, ganahan kay siya boxing, no. And same goes with the other people na nasa mga boxing gyms siguro. Dili ta na mga boxers na naay same opportunity ni Pacquiao, no, but I think they have the same will and they have the same desire. And dili lang gid siguro sila pareha og mga opportunity na nahatag, no. And then of course dili sa noon na same po sila mga output, di ba, na like yung sa pang buhat nila ni Pacquiao, nila ni Donaire, nila ni Alas, nila Casimero, for sure ning sikat sila because na sila output na napakita, di ba? And then napod sila yung opportunity na nakuha, and then of course ilang practice and everything, no, and they have the desire as well. So those people nga wala na to nailhan, no, na naa sila sa boxing gym, no, and of course wala sila ni sikat is because maybe they don't have that opportunity or maybe they have that desire siguro, no. Of course siguro pareha sila desire, pareha sila ganahan sila na mag-boxing gyud sila premi, no, but again the question there is that is it really that strong purpose sa imo, ha, di ba? And sahay nakasugata kag usa ka barrier, and then is it really the sign nga mo back out na ka? Or is it really the challenging part na? If you have that strong reason, then for sure, you always take that one as a challenge, diba? Imong vision, na ganahan ka mahitabuan ni, of course, you always take that one as a challenge. But then, if not really so strong, then of course, maingon jud ka na, yeah, I think it's really time to move on, diba? And I think it's not really for me, diba? So, kung makingon jud ka na ba na, yeah, of course, nakakita kag barrier, nakakita kag mga obstacles, and then makingon ka na, yeah, maybe this is the sign ba na kailangan ako move on or kailangan ako na i-fight gina ko ng challenges is because muna siya dapat, di ba? So let's take for example the brands, no? Few brands nga wala na nagpadayon ka, like for example BlackBerry. BlackBerry is really kanang ligon gyud siya na ligon gyud siya na cellphone, no? O like for example Kodak, and daghan kay mga brand na nawala na karon. Maybe naagi hapon but wala gyapon sila top of the market. And then yeah, they actually follow their path, but it's not really so guaranteed na they really prosper with that kind of path, di ba? So I think that's really the challenges for both nga. Na kailangan ba na siya na ipadayon ba nimo? It's because you have that passion, you have that strong will, but you don't know na mulambo ba ka nadapitan, no? And that leads me to the second argument, and this is the demand sa supply. And then what if ganahan ginato buhaton sa tong gusto, no? Yes, mabuhat ginato sa tong gusto. But the question there is that what if wala ganahan sa atong gipang buhat, di ba? It's because we're too self-centered siguro, or maybe yeah, who cares, di ba? Imuha man ang storya, imuha nang ganahan din buhata, di ba? But dili na siya mao mong ganahan, di ba? So again, it's really different now, di ba? So yeah, makaingunta na mabuhat gina to itong gusto, mabuhat na to unsa itong mga passion. But again, it's not really so guaranteed na makaingunta na yeah, pwede na ko ni buhaton, it's because ganahan ako ni, but not guaranteed nga ma-prosper ka na dapita. I think that's the simple demand and supply principle, di ba? And I think kabalo naman mo ani na you just supply what is in demand. Simple, di ba? Sayo na kay paminaw, di ba? But I think it's not really that simple. It's because sometimes it's too much and then wag subban na po kayo sa imong belief, di ba? And what if dili ka ganahan silang gipang sulti? Then again, that's a really question, di ba? What if di ka ganahan silang gipang buhat? And then di ka ganahan silang gusto na gusto nimo buhaton ng kani, but pero dili kini mo gusto na muni lang gisulti permi. And that's the question now, kung is it really na paminaw na to sila? But again, we always take that one as the perspective of the other people na kailangan na to tanawon kung unsa day perspective sa other tao, di ba? So, muna siya gikuan sa demand sa supply para kung unsa ilang ganahan, then let's just supply it, right? But then again, the question there is that if dili ka ganahan sa gibutang na gidemand sa mga tao, so saan mong buhaton, di ba? What if dili ka ganahan? Dili jud ka, that's beyond of your belief, right? Muna siya gamit sa survey actually. So kung kabante mo sa mga businesses na unahan sila gamiton nila ilahang survey, no, I think we need to participate also all the surveys that, and I think para sa na siya nato. So that's actually used on most businesses now na maghimo na sila ilahang butang na unsay ganahan sa tao. Para sayo nila sila. Kung unsay ganahan sa tao, then supplyan nila and then they have that business already. Kaysa i-convince pa nila ang population na dapat mo palit mo inaning klaseng product and everything, no? Mabutang na sila gitawag nila nag MVP, right? The minimum viable product, no? So, muna siya gamit gid sa survey, no? So, in the contrary to the story of Manny Pacquiao, no, Jack Ma, the owner of Alibaba, don't have that direction, right? That's just like the basic demand and supply principle, no? So, pero same sila og kadatuon ni Manny Pacquiao, di ba? But muna siya, no? I think Jack Ma, you just need to provide the demands in the market, and then after that one, you just supply it. So, I think that's it, diba? That's really so basic, no, sa demand sa supply. And also, asam kita dapat, no? Paminawan na to ang mga tao na unsay lang gipang sulti or buhaton na to ang gusto na di na to sila paminawon, diba? A few things that we can consider also before we answer those questions, right? First, you have the strong reason or the strong purpose, like I mentioned earlier, na muna siya yung mga buhaton. The second one is the intent of the people that you're listening, no? So, katong mga tao na sige, katong sige sulti sa imo, ano? The third one is the problem. And the fourth one is the opportunity and the choices, no? So, balik na sa first one, no? So, number one, the strong reason and purpose. And I think na partly na-explain na ako na siya in my earlier statements, no? And let me just add on a few inputs na lang po, no? So, nakikitawag nila a formula of success daw, no? Success is equals to desire times work times vehicle, no? So, i-multiply lang yun mo ang imong desire, which is muna siya imong gusto yun. Imong hard work na which is mugi na imo dapat imong trabaho, dili mo pwede na sige ba kag desire na dili mo trabahoon, di ba? So kailangan gid mo nag hard work. And then the vehicle is just like the people around you na motabang sa imo. If you multiply those one, then you have that success daw. If makita ninyo, the desire part is really there, no? Kailangan gid mo siya. It's a part of the equation, and that's the purpose or the reason na imong ganahan or the will, di ba? So it's really part of the success, right? So diha na kung unsa gid ka strong ang imong desire or imong purpose. So muna siya imong first consideration nimo, di ba? Depende na sa imo ha. Diha nimo na mabuhat kung unsa gid imong gustong buhaton is because that's really your desire. Mo gini siya imong gusto gid, di ba? So, nagi one time na nag-resign ko sa isa ka trabahoan ako, it's because dili na ko kayanon ang klaseng stress. It's because dili ko ana ka strong ngano na ako dito dapita in the first place, diba? So moagwanta man jud og stress, especially katong mga things na akong ganahan. But of course, if di mo ganahan, then ngano kailangan mo ko mo handle itong mga klaseng stress, diba? So I think it's because that I don't have that willpower na lang yun just to kanang compensate good or to fight those stress na lang. So that's why I resigned. So I think that's the reason why the desire times work times vehicle is equals to success is because nagin ang desire nimo, no? Once you have that desire, I think that's really so strong po. Kailangan mo na siya number one gini mo na as long as na lang kay strong purpose, then for sure mabuhat gina nimo. And that's actually my first consideration actually. So the second one actually is the intent of the people that you're listening. So few people actually lang yun nga ganahan gid sila na they will bring out the best in you. And I think that also comes to play the self-interest and the selfishness. And I think we talked about that one in the previous episode. So if wala pa mong kapaminaw, I think that's just like 2 episodes back na let's go or atong last episode din siya. So anyway, ang uban musulti na ayaw nagbuhata, ang uban buhata ni it's maybe because of self-interest or maybe about selfishness. Pero nasa mga tao ba na negative jud kayo, no? And I think the ability of identifying the authenticity of a person, no? I think that's really a life skills or a life hacks gud na kabalugid ka mo tan-aw sa tao na is it really authentic ni siyang tawhana? Is it really true gini siyang tao sa kuha? And may ilang gani mo na mga tao na ganahan gyud sa imuha na mulambok ka, 'di ba? Kailangan mo na siya na skills is because that may save your dreams or your goals, no? And if you're listening to this podcast ever since sa pagsugod pagod, and you can tell why I can say this is because I have also my experiences. So, kana lang daan, no? The third consideration that we can talk about is the problem, no? So, if you think you can solve a problem regardless of maminaw ka sa ubang tao or mutuman ka sa ilang gusto, di ba? But if you can solve the problem, then you can still do it, right? Kailangan gini mo na buhaton, di ba? Because Anyway, you can still solve it, no? And it's just like the same as the demand and supply principle na. If you can just identify the problem, then you can just have that solution. Then, and if you think na magtuman jud kasi mong gusto, ang dili nimo sila paminaw, no? Pero makasolve sa di kag problema, then I think kailangan gyud nimo, and especially na pud kay strong desire. Then I think padayunan gyud nimo, no? Regardless kung unsa ilahang isulti sa imo, ha? Basta lang kay you think na kay solution to those problem, then imuhagin ang buhaton. Like for example, Joker, the comedian, no? Nagtuman siya siyang gusto na dili siya ganahan mag-nurse, ganahan gid siya mag-comedian. I think nagtuman siya siyang gusto is because of the demand sa supply, right? And then ganahan lang niya na supplyan unsa nasa entertainment industry, and then mo na siya sikat siya. And wala niya gisupplyan kung unsa to iyang parents nga gisulti na dapat siya mag-nurse, right? Siguro makakita siya ba na ako lang supplyan na siya, maybe kulang lang gyud ang mga comedians karon, then maybe go ahead, diba? Pwede ka mag-comedians, right? So, mo na siya. I mean, as long as you have the problem, then you always have the solution. And I think regardless kung maminaw ka or dili, then you can always do that one. The fourth consideration na pwede na itong tanawon sa before mo answer itong questions na. So ang ikaupat is the opportunity and choices, right? So, most of the people don't have that equal luck, no? Dili tanan nga swerte on good na iba ng mga malas gid mga tao, no? But sometimes the opportunity really matters, no? So, makaingon po ta na sahay wala gud opportunity, wala po dili ka makalambo, diba? So we're still fighting with equality of opportunity, right? So I think daghan kig mo na again katong mga arguments about female ang male nga daghan kig opportunity ang male. So again, we always have that fight, right? No, the equality of opportunity, no. And again, balik ta sa basic formula ganina na success is equals to desire times work and times vehicle. Sometimes the vehicle is the opportunity. So we need people that will help us, right? And then also sometimes maybe there's a chances na we have that open door that you can get in, and then pag sud mo, there's a pile of gold na siguro. And siguro kana from there siguro, you have that opportunity, and not all people have that open door. And sometimes maybe the situations is also the opportunity. You just take that advantage and then convert that one to the opportunity. So wag makita, nagi ubang mga inana, no? Napagingon nila na if you're ready, then you have that opportunity, then you're lucky, right? So ready na ka sa kanang opportunity. By the time maabot na ng opportunity, then you're so lucky. Muna na siya gitawag nagswerte, di ba? But sometimes we have that opportunity, but again, we have that bad choices. So I think, you're ready, and then you have that opportunity, and yes, you're lucky. But sometimes we have that bad choices because of our decision making. So diha na sana sila mag-differ ang duha, right? So that's what we call that one as an opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? Meaning it will cost you something if you choose the other option or even not choosing at all. So yung ka, nakoy idea, ganahan ako na siya buhaton. I have that desire, but again, wala na magibuhat. And I think that's the part of the work in the formula, right? So success is equals to desire times work times vehicle, right? So I think this is the choices pod, no? And then that's the work part. Muna na siya yung and then after a few years, giday, katong imong idea, ganahan kini mo buhaton. Muna imong gusto yung buhaton. Pero wala ni mo gibuhat. Then after a few years, that idea is worth $1 million. So that's the opportunity cost there, no? So that opportunity cost you $1 million without taking an action or choosing the other option. So muna siya po yung opportunity cost, no? Wala ka nagbuhat sa imong gustong buhaton that cost you $1 million. So okay, wala kay loss ana, but that's the cost of your idea, for example. And that's the bad thing usahay na lahi pag yung makakuha na opportunity. Lahi mo nakakuha sa $1 million. Diba? As in, what do you think about it? No? And sometimes it's a matter of choice na. That's the equation now na ang success is just like the desire and also the work and also the vehicle. And yes, makayunta na nindot king opportunity, but again, mas nindot gid kung nindot nga decision making and choosing the right opportunity. So, before we answer the question na asa mo itong buhaton ba nato atong gusto or buhaton nato kung unsa gyud sulti para sa ato? And I hope makatabang na siya sa imuha in your subconscious mind, no? And maybe dili ni siya directly na makapangutana mo ani, no? It might ring a bell, no, to your subconscious mind na makayunta, maybe nasa ko'y pangutana diyan, no, wala ko kabalo. No? It's because this question is actually my question a few years back, and I hope that you have also a better idea than my idea siguro. And siguro karon dili gyapon ko makatubag ana, and those are my considerations. And maybe you can answer that one in your own pace, in your own life. And or gustahan nyo, dungagan nyo in the comment sections, ganahan nyo nabutangan nyo sa inyong mga insights po dani, no? Na namoy ganahan po da isultihan, no? And that might help me, or that might help other people, or maybe that may help me also to answer those questions nga no inana day, no? I think it's really nice if natay mga exchange, no? So the self-interest, no? The value to value exchange. So yeah. I think muna na siya, no? And follow us on YouTube, by the way, and Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Buy Me a Coffee, and Kumu. If namo sa Kumu, then you can always visit us, Emoha Podcast, and then akong pangalan dito, Owen McCarthy, and then makita ninyo kung sa na dito, okay? Yeah, so before na matapos itong episode, by the way, let me leave you this question na lang. No? And I think the same question maghapon akong ipangutan na ganina. And that's also still my question. I know I have my considerations, but this is still my questions, right? And how do you combine those two arguments, by the way? So magtuman ba ta sa butang na atong gustong buhaton? O magpatuwa ba ta sa mga tao kung unsa ilang gustong ibabuhat sa atuwa? Diba? So kana lang duha na questions. I don't know. How do we combine that? If you have any comments or answers for that, so maybe you can help us. So I think dihan na matapos gid itong episode. Anay kalimti basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara. Kaya na podcast para sa Emoha. Makita-kita ta sa sunod na episode, and amping-amping mo tanan, and I always love you. Bye-bye for now.